Here's how to add custom fonts in Unbounce. So right here in Unbounce website, you just need to go to the Classic Builder. Go to one of the pages that you have created, click Edit right here on the right side, and you will be redirected to the Classic Builder. So right here in the Classic Builder, you just need to double click on one of the text included in the landing page. So let's say this one, double click on it and you will see this style properties, and under font section, you just need to click family to bring down the drop down menu. Right here, you just need to click add remove font. After clicking on it, a new window will appear right here, and on the bottom left side, you can see add custom fonts. So just click on it. And right here, you just need to add your custom font, family name, and the font URL. So this is the most crucial parts. You need to host your own font files on an external server. You need to upload your font files to your web server and make sure those files are granted to be accessed by Unbounce domain or Unbounce server. And after uploading your font files on the web server, you just need to add your font family name and the font URL and make sure to check this acknowledge button and click add, and that's it. After adding your custom font file, you just need to click save and you're done. And that is how to add custom fonts in Unbounce.